Design and Fabrication of Electric Go-Kart. Aashish Porwal. Department of Mechanical Engineering. Shivjirao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. Karunesh Chouhan. Department of Mechanical Engineering. Shivjirao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. Nirmal Chohuan. Department of Mechanical Engineering. Shivjirao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. Jhanvi. Department of Electronics and Communication. Shivjirao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. Abstract. The report aims at discussing the design procedure of the go-kart vehicle. The report is an account of application of extensive engineering concepts, production engineering, project management, and teamwork. The report is a submission proof that these ideas have been efficiently and viably converted into a high-performance vehicle. With the vision to eliminate the harmful gases in the air caused due to smouldering of fuel and to form a pollution-free environment, we have designed an electric go-kart. This report is aimed at designing and developing a working model of an electric go-kart. The design and fabrication of the go-kart are made simple so that it could be operated even by non-professional drivers. The design is made keeping in mind the high strength of vehicle which can sustain more weight and provide the best facilities at a low cost. Keywords: go-kart, electric vehicle, lithium-ion battery, high-performance vehicle. Introduction. The design has been approached by considering all possible alternatives for a system by modeling them in CAD software like Creo Parametric 3.0 and analyzed it on ANSYS 16.0 FIA software. The design is mainly focused on the following objectives: safety, serviceability, strength, ruggedness, cost, durable, lightweight, high performance, ergonomics, and aesthetics. Sub-departments for design. Chassis department. Steering department. Brakes and tires department. Transmissions department. 2. Design methodology. Fig.1 Design methodology. Table I, complete vehicle specification. Parameters. Specifications. Ground clearance. 0.06326 m, 2.5. Max speed. 21.37 m/s. Max acceleration. 3.16 meters per square second. C.G height. 0.1397 m, 5.5. Stopping distance. 1.240 m, 48.8. Overall weight. 190 kilograms. Steering ratio. 1:1. Weight distribution. 35:65. Motor. 48 V, 4.5 kilowatts BLDC. Battery. 48 V, 50 Li-ion. Brake disc. 0.190 m. Turning radius. 3.0214 m. Ackerman angle. 21.8 degrees. 3. Material selection. The material with low cost, high strength and good weldability must be used for the roll cage. After the extensive paper study of different material, we concluded to decide between SAE 1018 and SAE 4130. After discussion and analysis considering the physical strength, weight, availability, and cost of the material, we decided to use AISI 4130 as a roll cage material. Table 2. Material comparison. Properties. AISI 1018. AISI 4130. Percent carbon. 0.14 to 0.20. 0.28 to 0.33. Density, G/cc. 7.87. 7.85. Modulus of elasticity, GPa. 200. 205. Yield strength, MPa. 365. 435. Ultimate strength, MPa. 450. 670. Bulk modulus. 140. 140. Poisson's ratio. 0.29. 0.29. Elongation at brake. 15%. 25.5%. 1 roll cage. Calculation of impact force. The estimation of impact force was done by using impulse change in momentum theorem. Impulse equals F. T. Overall weight, M, equals 190 kilograms, maximum. T equals impact time. F.T equals P equals asterisk. Impulse time equals weight asterisk, velocity slash load. T equals 0.4 sec. A worst collision case. B general case, real world scenario. Front impact tests. Impact load calculations regarding front impact test are as follows. M. Mass of the vehicle equals 190 kilograms, driver included. Velocity, v, equals 90 km/h equals 25 m/sec equals asterisk. F equals 11,875 n. Conclusion. Deformation equals 0.52997 mm. Stress generated equals 334.65 MPa. Thus in frontal collision, if the load reaches to the frontmost member, the chassis and driver would be safe with F.O.S equals 1.148, considering yield point as material strength. Rear impact test. In rear collision, the vehicle is assumed to be stationary, fixed, and another vehicle with same mass and collides with the former vehicle. Force is applied on rear portion of vehicle and all DOFs of front were constrained. Velocity, v, equals 70 km/h equals 19.44 m/sec. F equals 9,237 n. Conclusion. Deformation equals 0.0035142 m. Stress generated equals 490.23 MPa. 4 CAD model. Fig.2 isometric view roll cage. /IGCLPU/files/images/CAD design/front view.jpg. Fig.3 front view. /IGCLPU/files/images/CAD design/left view.jpg. Fig.4 left view. /IGCLPU/files/images/CAD design/right view.jpg. Fig.5 right view. /IGCLPU/files/images/CAD design/top view1.jpg. Fig.6 top view. VCAE analysis. A front impact. Fig.7 total deformation. Fig.8 equivalent stresses. B rear impact. Fig.9 total deformation. Fig.10 equivalent stresses. 2 steering. Steering system is one of the crucial mechanisms, which are responsible for a smooth maneuver controlling of the vehicle. Apart from the controlling of the vehicle, steering system is expected to display its good ergonomics as well as the ease of use. The primary objective of any steering mechanism is to reduce the steering effort as possible, and for that, decreasing the steering wheel travel, which results in a quick responsiveness of the steering wheel. The steering geometry is Ackermann type steering mechanisms, which uses 4-bar linkages. Table 3. Description. Values. Wheelbase 1.1684 m. Track width 0.9652 m. Inner wheel angle 32.6 degrees. Outer wheel angle 22.2 degrees. Turning radius 3.0214 m. Ackermann angle 21.8 degrees. Length of tie rod 0.341 m. Length of stub axle 0.132 m. Ackermann error 0.4. Steering ratio 101. Normal force 686 n. Lateral force 8,750 n. Tractive force 411 n. Moment of NF 4.05 nanometers. Moment of LF 38.7 nanometers. Moment of TF 53.4 nanometers. Torque on kingpin 107.3 nanometers. Pivot distance 0.3579 m. Camber angle 2 degrees. Caster angle 2 degrees. Kingpin inclination 2 degrees. Scrub radius 0.1317 m. Caster trail 0.00433 m. Fig.11 stub arm total deformation. Fig.12 knuckle total deformation. 3 transmission. Electric powertrain, EVs have a single-speed transmission which sends power from the motor to the wheels. The motor is powered by a battery or by multiple batteries which store the electricity required to run an EV. The higher the kW of the battery, the higher the range. We have used chain drive type transmission between motor and drive shaft. The main advantage being its lightweight, highly efficient, low maintenance characteristics. Table 4. Transmission specification. Description. Values. Transmission type. Chain drive. Motor sprocket teeth. 13. Shaft sprocket teeth. 40. Gear ratio. 3.08:1. Motor peak torque. 38 nanometers. Motor maximum power. 4.5 kilowatts. Motor type. BLDC. Motor voltage. 48 V. Motor maximum RPM. 4,500. Maximum velocity. 21.4 m/s. Maximum acceleration. 3.16 meters per square second. Torque on wheel. 104.2 nanometers. Transmission efficiency. 90%. Tire radius. 0.14 m. Total tractive effort. 143.2 N. Rolling resistance. 93.2 N. Air drag. 50 N. Force at wheels. 601.09 N. For braking system. The hydraulic disc brakes are used in motor vehicles to slow down its rotational motion by the help of frictional force. It is caused by pushing the brake pads against the disc rotor. It converts kinetic energy into heat energy that dissipates through the rotor vents and slows down the vehicle. Disc brake offers much better stopping performance. Advantages of disc brake system. Ability to provide more consistent frictional behavior. Better braking performance at high speed. Ability to lose heat developed due to friction quickly. Selection of brakes. These are considerations and certain selections that are selected for the better and safe braking. For the very purpose master cylinder bore diameter was taken under consideration and calculation was done. 2 discs have been used at the shaft for multiplying braking force. Some selected parameters are. Table 7. Brake specification. Parts. Specification. Overall weight. 190 kilograms. Deceleration. 0.7 g. Weight ratio. 35:65. Tire diameter rear. 11. Tire diameter front. 10. Static rear weight. 123.5 kilograms. Static front weight. 66.5 kilograms. COF between tire and road. 0.7. COF between pad and rotor. 0.45. Wheelbase. 46. Height of gravity. 0.1397 m. Dynamic front weight. 811.365 n. Dynamic rear weight. 1052.535 n. Master cylinder, bore diameter. 0.014 m. Caliper, piston diameter. 0.028 m. Number of caliper piston. 2. Load applied on brake pedal. 20 kilograms. Pedal ratio. 5:1. Force on push rod. 1000 N. Clamping force. 7193.1915 N. Braking torque. 1,009,722.56 nanometers. Braking force. 722,779 N. Deceleration. 38.04 meters per square second. Stopping distance. 1.240 m. Stopping time. 0.255 sec. Brake fluid. 3. Fig.13 Layout of braking circuit. 5. Electrical system. Objective. The e-powertrain system has the following objectives are. To have a combustion-free vehicle. To have agility in the performance. To achieve flexibility on the road. 1. BLDC motor. Brushless DC motors work on the same principle as that of a conventional DC motor. Due to its low noise and lightweight, it is being used for a vehicle. It requires low maintenance as well. Table 8. Motor specification. Criteria. Specification. Max power. 4.5 kilowatts. Peak torque, 38 Nm. Max RPM, 4500. Rated current DC, 94 amp. Weight, 12 kilograms. Continuous torque, 10.8 Nm. Efficiency, N, 89%. Supply voltage, 48 V. Operating temperature, 500 C. Protection, IP55. 2. Battery, Li-ion. Lithium-ion batteries have a high energy density and are rechargeable. They are commonly used in consumer electronics. The life cycle and efficiency of Li-ion batteries are more as compared to the other rechargeable batteries. /baha/new folder /battery2.jpg. Fig 14, Battery BMS System. Table 9. Battery specification. Supply voltage, 48 V. Battery capacity, 50 Ah. Cell voltage, 3.6 V. Efficiency, N, 90%. Weight, 34 kilograms. Cooling system. Natural cooling. BMS. Integrated. Charging time, 15 amp. 7,200 seconds. 3. Controller. A motor controller is a device used for operating an electric motor and is coordinated in some predetermined manner. A controller can have a manual or automatic system in order to start and stop the motor, for changing the direction of rotation from forward to reverse, for selection and regulation of speed and for limiting the torque. It is also used to protect the motor from overloads and faults. Other components: fuse, kill switch, contactor, FNR, relay. Fig 15, circuit diagram. Fig 16. Circuit diagram. C:\screenshot_backslash users_20181111-1614453.png. 6 vehicle views. E:/IGCLPU_files/images/camera/img_4348.jpg. Fig.17. E:/IGCLPU_files/images/camera/img_4345.jpg. Fig.18. References. 1. International Go-Kart Championship Season 8 Rules and Guideline. 2. Practical Finite Element Analysis, Nitin Eskokla. 3. Strength of Materials, R.K. Rajput. 4. www.machinedesign.com web link. 5. www.scribd.com web link. 6. www.bmecarts.com web link. 7. Race Car Vehicle Dynamics by Millikan D., Karspraki, Metz L. and Millikan W., 2003. 8. Thomas D. Gillespie Fundamentals of Vehicle Dynamics. 9. Braking System of Go-Kart by IJERT Volume 4, Issue May 5, 2017. 10. Design of Braking System of Go-Kart IJERT Volume 5, Issue 11, November, 2017. 11. B. Babu, M. Prabhu, P. Dharmaraj, R. Sampathy 2014 Stress Analysis of Steering Knuckle of Automobile Steering System International Journal of Research in Engineering and Technology. 12. Advanced Vehicle Technology by Heinz Heisler.